Can I get a receipt, please?
Thank you for the meal. Can I get a receipt, please?
Could we have the check, please?
We're finished with our dinner. Could we have the check, please?
How long is the wait?
We don't have a reservation. How long is the wait for a table of 2?
Does this come with a side?
I'd like the burger, please. Does this come with a side of fries?
Could I get this to go?
I'm in a bit of a rush, so could I get this coffee to go?
Do you have any recommendations?
It's my first time eating here. Do you have any recommendations?
Could we split the bill?
We enjoyed the dinner. Could we split the bill between 3 cards?
How long is the wait?
The dining room is full. How long is the wait for a table for 4?
Could I get a receipt?
Thank you for the service. Could I get a receipt for my business expense report?
Could I get this to go?
I'm in a bit of a rush, so could I get this to go?
Could we split the check?
We had a great meal. Could we split the check between the 3 of us?
What do you recommend?
Everything on the menu looks delicious. What do you recommend?
Could you box this up for me?
We can't finish our appetizers, so could you box this up for me?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people at 7 o'clock tonight.
Could we get the bill, please?
We're all finished here, so could we get the bill, please?
What do you recommend?
It's my first time eating here. What do you recommend from the menu?
Could I get this to go?
I can't finish my sandwich, so could I get this to go?
I have a reservation under.
Good evening, I have a reservation under the name Johnson.
Could I get this to go?
I'm in a bit of a rush, so could I get this iced coffee to go?
What do you recommend?
It's my first time here, so what do you recommend from the menu?